Hi everyone and welcome to Umbraco Headless CMS with the GraphQL Part 2 by help of the Arroact Umbraco GraphQL. So in Part 1 I show you how you can install Arroact Umbraco GraphQL package in your Umbraco and how you can create the GraphQL query by help of the IDE. So in this particular video I am going to show how GraphQL query work with the Next.js application. So if you are not check out that first video, I recommended to go ahead and check out first video so you can aware how GraphQL working with the Umbraco. So in last video I have already installed two packages which are required for my Next.js application. One is Arroact Umbraco GraphQL and second is Umbraco the Starter Kit. So both packages are installed in my project. Now let's run this project. During this process, let me just download Arroact Next.js Headless Starter project in my local. So this is a open source and you can download from the Git. Let me just clone entire project in my folder. So I am going to clone this project. The project is cloned successfully. Next step, I am going to open this in Visual Studio Code. It's already open. Still our backend is in process. So during that time, let me just do some changes in our front end project. So first of all, you need to remove example from environment.local. This file requires some value of variable like GraphQL URL, GraphQL API, root content, and your application type like it's developing environment, production environment, staging environment, kind of the thing. So for the URL, I'm going to paste my backend URL / GraphQL. This is a default gateway of GraphQL. Now for the API, you need to go to your backend project and open applications setting JSON. You can find API key under the Arrowact GraphQL node. So copy that particular key, paste over here. Now for the root content, we need to log in into the Umbraco site, backend site. And your home content ID. This is my root, so I just need to paste that ID into my environment file. Once all variable have value, need to open new terminal. First thing first, we need to install our new package, so npm install. So it's going to install packages which require for this Next.js application. Now package installed successfully. Now next step is npm run build, so that it's build .next.js folder and create some caching from our front end backend side as well. Now build successfully done. Now last step, npm run dev. Now our front end is up and running on localhost 3000 port. So let me just open this URL in browser, localhost 3000. So if you see the terminal, it show all the log, because I write log in this application. So each and every step you can find the log, that what kind of the list is calling, list ID, blog ID, product ID. So this is our front end with the Next.js. All the data is coming from our backside, or I can say that from the Umbraco backend. So let me compare side by side. So I am going to open Umbraco as well, because this project is run on Umbraco the starter kit, which have all the view and all the things ready made. So it have home, product, people, about us, blog, and contact us. So if you see that starter kit homepage and this Next.js homepage, both are similar. Both data coming from the Umbraco. Let's check with the product. So both have same product. Now let me open one of the product of this, right? And people, same way in starter kit, people, about us, same way Next.js about us, and blog. So blog have pagination as well. So if you see pagination of Umbraco starter kit and Next.js, both are working perfectly. Let me change some content in homepage, like Umbraco demo. Save and publish. Now it's published successfully, and I'm going to refresh my front end. So it's connected mode. It means whatever you are doing changes in Umbraco side, it's reflect in your Next.js. Right. Now let's exploring our Next.js application. So basically we have already created one SDK which help you to create Next.js application. So in npm package we have created Arroact Umbraco GraphQL SDK, which help you to build your own application. So I am for using this SDK, you just need to create Umbraco context file, which have all the setting like GraphQL URL, media URL, and if your media is coming from like CDN, you just need to configure that CDN URL in that media URL, so that it's automatically connect with your CDN and get all the images runtime. So here I am writing some catch for the root page, and all the query it's writing over here. Like I am using SDK and write some code which is helpful me to load content in Next.js application. Apart from this, I have created a slug which is responsible to load each and every page. One layout which is a which have CSS, title, and JS and all the things. In that particular layout, I have load child. Child, it means that all the pages. You can consider layout as a master page or master layout kind of the things, and page have capacity to load all the view. So my main goal is I don't want to manually bind or map any view with my Next.js. So that I am created one function load view which have all the code. It's by default identify content type of your page and try to load that content type by name from the view folder. So if you see in view folder, I have all the view like blog, home, and all the things, right? So this is dynamically binding our view with uh, layout. And second, I have created block grid rendering, this one. So whenever you are feel that I like to load some component or block grid, ultimately block grid have their own component, or I can say they have own parcel view. So in this application I try to replicate same whatever available in MVC. So when you are give your block grid property in this block grid rendering, so it's going to identify again content type and try to load that content type name from the component. So in component folder I have created all the component which are required for this particular project, but apart from that I have also created one pagination component which are displaying in your list below of your list. Like if you go to the your blog page, you can see this is a part of pagination component. So this is our headless application which built on Next.js, and backend side we are use Umbraco with the Arrow GraphQL packages. So you can find each and everything over here. So you see content type, it's home. So what Next.js application do, like when this GraphQL response is coming from the Umbraco side, it's try to find home which is a content type of your view. So it's try to find home by help of view loader from here and find into the view folder like home page, home tsx page, and give all the model, all binding model with the property over here. So it have view props over here. So by default it's model. So when you are, if you want to bind any property value in particular HTML tag, you just need to write model dot your property name. In my case, model dot hero header, model dot hero description, all are coming from my model. So this model is particularly bind from SDK and giving you to the your application, Next.js application. So you can directly use model dot your property name. Apart from that, you can also get the value, any property value. Let me check. Dot value. Like if you see that I am binding a blog post, mapping blog post in this list, and in that particular things binding loop, I am getting value from like your model dot value in the bracket a property name. It's automatically get all the value from the property and display over here. So that's it. This is a starter application, or I can say that headless Umbraco the starter kit in Next.js or headless. So you can find many things over here. Please try it. Download my Git, install Arroact Umbraco GraphQL in your Umbraco, and explore each and everything. And let me know if you are finding any query, or if you have any question regarding this package and this GitHub project. Comment below this video, or you can directly mail us uh, for your question. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this information and this package is helpful in your Umbraco headless application. Thank you so much for watching this video.